How to make an automatic discount on your Wix website. So here from the dashboard, we want to focus on the left hand side and simply hover over marketing and then choose the option for discounts, which will load up another menu, and here you will be able to see automatic discounts, which is a new feature. Now right here it will show us how it works. If we want to, we can click and read through it, how they work. But basically I'm going to click on create discount here, and we can create the discount name. So I'm going to do sale or spring sale, and they will see this on our site. And what can we offer? Now, what does this apply to? So we can choose all products, specific products, or specific categories. I'm gonna do all products. And we can also choose the minimum quantity of items, which will be required to for this sale to apply, and also the minimum order subtotal here. We can change it by clicking on it. A new menu will appear. Now, what is the discount? We can also choose what type of discount it is: percentage off, amount off, or sale price. So we can do percentage off, and we can do 20% off. For example, you will be able to see this to the side, and we can also set an end date and time for this automatic discount. So here we can choose, for example, it's going to be valid for 1 week, so from the 14th of March until the 24th of March, or even the 22nd. And here we can display the discount name on the product page, galleries, cart, and checkout, or we can only do it on the cart and checkout here. So I'm going to leave it like this. If I click on save here, then this will create an automatic discount, so 20% off all products on my Wix website, and we can easily toggle this off, toggle this on, and we can also track how many people have used it here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.